Hi, in this video I'll demonstrate how to create a book in your Moodle course. Why should you use a book? Well, if you like to embed YouTube videos, slideshows, prezzies, Padlets, the last two especially, you may notice it is taking longer for your course page to load. If you put a very large amount of embedded resources on, your students will soon be left waiting for a long time before the course allows them to do something. So the solution to this is to get these embedded resources off your front page. And a good way of doing this is using the book. If you've only got one or two resources, a Moodle HTML page would do a similar thing for you, but it's not as useful as a book because a book provides you with lots of pages that can be very easily organized. So let's take a look at it. Here we've got a couple of embedded videos here, and let's take them off the front page and put them into a book. So to create a book, we simply click on Add an Activity or Resource as usual. And the book is a resource. It can be found just here. You'll need a name for it, so we'll call it Video Collection. And you can have an optional description. At this point it's best to click on Save and Display, because if you do that will take you straight into creating the first chapter of your book. And we'll call this first video. Okay, so at this point we're almost ready to put something in. Let's swing back to those videos again. I'll just open up a new tab. And we'll take a look at them in a second, and this course is a good illustration of how these things start to slow down the loading of the page. So here we've got these in labels. We obviously picked up the share code initially from YouTube and popped them into a label here by clicking on our HTML source window and popping in this code here. So all you need to do, if you've already got these videos, is copy that code and then do exactly the same thing in here. Effectively the book is just a series of labels, just like that one. So we put that in and you'll see that's coming in. So that's you got your first video. So you'll notice up here on the left hand side you have a very simple kind of way of controlling things with the book. You simply click on plus if you want another chapter, and you can see here as well you can sub-chapterize if you wish. So we'll call this the second video, and then we'll go and grab the code for the second video. So once again, just click on your HTML code window there, the one with the little triangular brackets. Do the same here. And that's you now got chapterized selection of videos which you can build up. Each of these pages are going to load fairly quickly because they've just got one video on it. So that's the Moodle Book, a great way of curating those embedded resources.